Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. From Standard 7 English Medium, chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is adjective. What? Adjectives. I have already discussed with the types of adjectives. What are the types? Quality, quantity, number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative and possessive adjectives. Okay, and today I am going to talk about what? Degrees of comparison. In this chapter there is a point of this, degrees of comparison. There are three types of degrees. Okay, which the first one is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In this positive degree, what we have discussed in adjective is in the positive degree when it is used to state some quality as it is. It is used when no comparison is made. No comparison is made. An adjective in its base form is said to be in the positive degree. So what we put? No comparison at all in this degree, positive degree. Okay, we put as before. In this between, what we put? Adjective or adverb. Adjective and adverb, and we put as before and after in the positive degree, and there is no comparison at all. Both are equal, both are same. In the comparative degree, when comparison is made between two nouns, comparison is made between two nouns. One is greater or one is smaller, then showing the comparison. And in the superlative degree, a comparison is made among many nouns. Among many nouns means given the superior, showing the superior person among the all nouns. Okay, how? Let's see. If given small in the positive, in comparative we said smaller, and superlative smallest, est. Big, then given bigger and biggest. But in this, big given is positive. When you change into comparative, what you add? Adding g and est in superlative. Why? Because count, consonant, vowel, consonant. If the process is consonant, vowel, consonant is given, so you put add the last letter and then est. Okay, in comparative and superlative degree. If given the last letter is y, okay, last letter is y, and before that given the consonant, not this, given the consonant. So what you do? You remove the y and adding what? I, then er in comparative and est in here. er in comparative and est in superlative degree. Okay, so this is the degrees of comparison. Okay, in comparative degree, when you use this er form, then you add one more word. Which word? Then. In the superlative degree, when you put est with the adjectives, you put the before this form. Okay, you keep in your mind. Let's see the example. Okay, here given, see how the positive degree is formed. There are two nouns. Ali is as smart as Amrita. Means both are smart. Ali and Amrita both are smart. But we given Ali is smart, Amrita is smart. There are two sentences, but we join the positive degree with adding as, and adjective is given smart. So Ali is as smart as Amrita. That is the positive degree. Now see the second sentence of the positive degree. Vitamins are as important as minerals for the body. Okay, minerals and vitamins are nouns. So both are important for our body. And joining what adjective, and before and after we put as, okay, in the positive degree. But what if given more than three vowels in a sentence, in a word, just like a beautiful? So in the comparative degree, okay, if given this word, what? Beautiful. Beautiful is the word. See the vowel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Given more than 3 vowel, you put M-O-R-E in comparative degree, then put then. And in the superlative degree, you add most. Most beautiful in what? In superlative degree, and more beautiful in comparative. Let's see. This blue dress is, see, more beautiful than the red dress, means comparison. The red dress is less beautiful than the blue dress. Okay, given more and less. The red dress is not as attractive as blue dress, positive degree. The blue dress is prettier than the red dress, comparative degree. This is how we made the degrees, form the degrees. Okay. Now see here given the exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct forms of the words given below. Here in the yellow box there are so many words given. As a positive degree, comparative, we form it. Okay. We fill this blank with the correct form of the words. You can use these words more than once if necessary. We use these given words more than once. Okay, let's see the first one. Is here given, Sudha is the blank girl in her class. What the given? So see, before the blank here given the. So it's a superlative degree. We form the superlative degree. But what is the rule? If given the before the adjective, that is the superlative degree, we put est in the adjective form. See, what is the adjective? Sudha is the blank girl in her class. So what we put here? We put what? We put smallest and tallest also. Small we can use, and we can use tall also. But here I use tall. Sudha is the tallest. Sudha is the tallest. What you add here? Tallest. That is the answer. Okay. Sudha is the tallest girl in her class. That is the answer. If you use this word smallest, that is also correct. Small is given, but you put est, so smallest is also correct. But what I use here? Tallest. So you write the answer tallest in the first blank. Now comes to the second one. Football is blank exciting blank cricket. Okay. Here you use what? Here you use football is as exciting as cricket, positive degree. As here you use in the second blank. Same, as exciting as cricket. Football is as exciting as cricket. If you use this more and then also correct. Football is more exciting than cricket is also correct. But I use this one as and as. Now comes to the C. Abbas is blank punctual blank early. So in this form I use what? I use more. Abbas is more punctual than Ali. This blank in the third means C form. In the C, what is the answer of the C? Abbas is more punctual than Ali. Okay. Now comes to the D one. D. The Rajdhani is given the. See the as given in the first blank the. So here what we put? est with the adjective. The Rajdhani is the blank. Here given so many words. What we use here is the train I have ever taken. So given the word fast. What? The word fast. And we add est. So the D answer is fastest. What? The fastest train. Now comes to E. Australia is the blank continent in the world. Okay? Australia is given. Australia is given the word. Australia is the continent. But it is not big. It is small continent. There are 7 continents in the world, but Australia is the smallest one. So we put here what? In the E we put smallest. So E answer is smallest. What? Smallest continent. Okay. Now comes to F. My cousin is blank hardworking blank my sister. So here comparison. What? Hardworking my cousin and my sister. Comparison between these two, my cousin and my sister. Both are hardworking. So what we put here in this both blank, we put as. Okay? We put as in F. Comes to G. Burgers are not blank popular blank pizzas. Both nouns burgers and pizzas. But here given the not. If not is given, we put what? Not as but so as is popular. So we put here so popular. So we put so popular as pizzas. Okay? Burgers are not so popular as pizzas. Comes to H. I can sing blank than my brother. So sing what? If he can able to sing, he can sing loudly. So we use this word. Which word? Loud. But here then is given, so comparative degree formed. So what we use here? Loud is given the word. We add only er. So the answer is louder. What? The answer is louder in H. I can sing louder than my brother. Now comes to next 2 blanks. Rihanna is given. See, the superlative degree. Rihanna is the blank well. So here given which word? Most well behaved girl in entire class. The word is used which? Most. And at the last one, discipline is blank important blank hard work. Means discipline and hard work both are important. So what we use? We use the positive degree. So we write as in these 2 blanks. So what is the answer? Discipline is as important as hard work. So this is the degrees, how we formed it. And I hope you understand about the degrees. Thank you for listening me.